How to connect Bluetooth to a Linux. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to connect a Bluetooth device to your Linux computer. It's quick and easy, and I'll guide you through every step. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. First, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. You can usually find the Bluetooth icon in your system settings or at the top of your screen. If it's off, just click to turn it on. Step 2. Open Bluetooth settings. Now, open your Bluetooth settings. This is where you'll see a list of nearby devices. If your device isn't showing up, make sure it's in pair mode. Step 3. Find and pair your device. Once your device appears on the list, just click on it. Your computer will start the pairing process. Some devices may ask for confirmation, so just press OK or connect when prompted. Step 4. Use the device. After it's connected, you can start using right away. Whether it's headphones, a mouse or a keyboard, it should now work like normal. Step 5. If it doesn't work. If it doesn't connect the first time, no worries. Try turning Bluetooth off and on again, or restart your computer. That usually fixes the problem. Quick tip. And here's a quick tip. Keep your Bluetooth device closer to your computer and make sure it has enough battery. Also, some older devices may not connect properly, especially if they were already paired to another device. And that's it. Now you know how to connect a Bluetooth device on a Linux. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.